What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're giving you guys a full update on Else Nutrition. It's been a while since we talked about the company, but we've got some exciting news. We're also going to be taking a look at their website, their stock price, and pretty much just giving you guys a refresher. So I hope you enjoy the video. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoy the update. Of course, don't forget to smash that like button if you do appreciate these types of videos, all the updates I provide, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. And also drop me a comment down below, let me know what you think about the company. So first thing I want to do is quickly take a look at the stock and see how it's done. And obviously, the vegan sector has corrected a little bit. We do have a 52-week range of $1.38 to $5.07, with Else Nutrition currently trading for $2.43. Now this is a 6-month chart. And as we can see here, hopefully the stock has put in a bottom around $2. It looks to be back on the uptrend. Hopefully, obviously we can't predict the future, but hopefully good things in store for Else Nutrition. Might be one to put on your watch list. So giving you guys a little bit of an update and a refresher as to what the company does. Else Nutrition makes vegan baby formula. So we're quickly going to talk about their story just in 2 quick minutes, and we're going to get straight into the news. So our story is something else. Dear parents, the rise of plant-based nutrition is promising, yet our babies and kids have the most limited options. We started Else because we believe that babies and children deserve a real alternative to dairy-based nutrition. After 120 years of little change to the baby formula category, a clean plant-based alternative is long overdue, and now we have one. Led by industry veteran scientists, nutritionists, and parents, our team has created a real alternative to dairy-based formula that uses 92% whole food ingredients and the cleanest, most natural production process to date. Why the focus on production? Less processed ingredients offer more of the nutritional value we gain from real whole foods. Some highlights. Now there's something else, a dairy-free, soy-free, clean label alternative for 12 months old and older. What we make is real nutrition for little ones, providing a real choice for their parents. We hope you'll join us on the Else journey. So that is from their co-founder, director, and CEO, Hamitel Yitzhak, which we will be interviewing, and we'll also be releasing that video interview shortly after this one, so make sure to stay tuned for that, guys. But I wanted to just give you a quick update, and for anyone who hasn't heard of Else or doesn't know what they do, I just wanted to give you guys just 1-2 minutes about the company. So now we're going to talk about some really interesting first quarter 2021 results and some press releases. So we're going to go over the highlights. So Q1 2021 financial highlights. Revenues of $1.1 million and over 90% growth over revenues of $598,000 in Q4 of 2020, and an increase of 282% versus revenues over $297,000 in Q1 of 2020. 149% growth in quarter-over-quarter formula revenues of $862,000 in Q1 of 2021 over $346,000 in Q4 of 2020. First quarter to recognize formula revenues from the retail market. The company successfully launched retail sales at Sprouts Farmers Market, a leading natural food retailer in the US. So there is a long list of their quarterly updates. Those are the main points that I wanted to touch on. Was 90% quarter-over-quarter revenue growth. Another thing to point out, net profit in Q1 2021 was $2.1 million or 2 cents per share, compared to a net loss of $1.6 million or 2 cents per share in Q1 of 2020. The net profit and loss include the non-cash reevaluation of investor warrants liability of $6.5 million profit in Q1 of 2021 and $336,000 loss in Q1 of 2020. The company has no loans liability as of March 31st, 2021. So words from their CEO, Hamitel Yitzhak: I'm very proud of our achievements. This quarter, we continue delivering rapid growth in our business while we successfully launched our first retail stores and started working with the largest U.S. natural food distributors. So now an update for the company. Else launches plant-based protein shakes for kids as an alternative for cow milk shakes. So this is interesting, seeing them get into additional markets above and beyond just strictly baby formula. So plant-powered complete nutrition shakes in vanilla and chocolate flavors available exclusively on elsenutrition.com and soon on amazon.com and other retailers. Else Nutrition is on a mission to change the face of the early childhood nutrition market with sustainable, clean label, whole food-based solutions and to help the countless families struggling with dairy intolerance and those embracing or looking to embrace a plant-based lifestyle. The Else Shakes debut novel protein recipes derived from organic almonds, buckwheat, and tapioca, which make up 95% of the product's composition. These clean, whole ingredients are minimally processed to preserve their fullest macronutritional benefits. This is the second product line launched by Else following its original toddler plant-based nutrition formula. Else plant-based protein shakes being launched are a clean label, complete nutrition, plant-powered protein shakes focusing on kids 3 years old and older. The Else shakes can be used as a milk alternative, served alongside meals, or mixed into recipes such as smoothies, pancakes, muffins, and much more. Getting kids to eat foods that benefit their growth is hard enough, let alone having to deal with food allergies, milk intolerance, and trying to lead a clean, natural lifestyle, said Hamtel Yitzhak, CEO and co-founder of Else Nutrition. Our innovative processing method is a springboard for transforming plant-based eating far beyond our current products. As part of executing on our overall strategy, we are thrilled to take this step with the introduction of our new complete nutrition drink for kids, she added. Else's plant-powered complete nutrition shakes for kids aims to provide a substitute for cow milk, packed full of protein, carbs, healthy fats, and over 20 essential nutrients kids need to support their growth. The entire Else line is pediatrician approved. All Else products are minimally processed, derived from organic whole plant foods, and free of dairy, whey, soy, corn syrup, artificial ingredients, and preservatives. Nutrient and vitamin dense to help fill nutritional gaps without compromise. Else plant-powered complete nutrition shakes for kids are available in either dreamy chocolate or creamy vanilla flavors and made with 50% less sugar than other kids' nutrition shakes and drinks. So guys, those are the main updates for Else Nutrition. Like I said, over the last while, the stock has pulled back and hopefully we're getting some kind of a rebound. It's going to be interesting to see what happens for the rest of this year. Like I said, I will be dropping an interview with Hamtel Yitzhak, their CEO, for some updates, and she's going to explain a few more things in depth, that I can't fully explain. So I'm excited to release that. We'll continue to cover this stock, and we've covered this stock basically since the IPO, right in around the 20-30 cent level, I do believe. So since then, it's been a success, and I wish the company all the best. We'll be bringing you guys the updates. Tune into Departures Capital for all your updates. Also, always remember, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. So once again, check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.